All right, this is another one of those Optic double teams. We're going to click it 4 times. Minimize that. Desktop over here. 1 to 15 will be your first team. 3, 4. All right, Eric Jen down to John Burr. 1 to 15 will be your first team, and then 16 to 30 will be your second team. 4 times. So your first team will be Eric. You got the Cavs. Down to the Pacers for John Burr. 16 is the Grizzlies. So Eric, you get the Grizzlies. Down to the Rockets for John Burr. And if you want to see what they look like side by side, we can do that too. There you have it. Just look side to side. Save that. And let's see what we get. What in the hell are we going to get? Box number 2. '21-22 Optic basketball. All right, they're out. Let's see what we get. I'm going to do these like we've been doing. Chuma Okeke. Steph Curry. Isaiah Todd. Darius Bazley Green. That one is 149. Tyrese. Halliburton. Zion. Gordon Hayward. LeBron James. Actually, bring these down. Jamal Murray. Pascal Siakam. I'm about to say Ant-Man. Kessler Edwards. Trae Young. Actually, we'll go there and there. Fred VanVleet. Paul George. Reggie Bullock. Lonzo Ball. Prism. Zubac. Zaire Williams. John Collins. This one is Magic Johnson, Isaiah Thomas. 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. Oh, flew way back over here. 4, 5, 6 right. Goes to the Pistons. A non-numbered silver. There. LaMelo, is that a gold? Looks like we got a gold. Looks Cavs in color. Who had the Cavs? Eric Jen. Could be an Evan Mobley gold rookie. That's my guess. See how close I am. Ant-Man. David Johnson. Tatum. And Paul George. 1, 2, 3 left. 4, 5, 6 right. 4, 5, 6 right. Goes to the Clippers. Paul George. Drew Holiday. Anthony Davis. Oh, I thought that was Cavs color. It looked like a dark maroon, but it's Hawks color. Usman Garuba. Gold Trae Young, numbered to 10. Looked like a dark maroon. It would guess that's a red. First one stamped, 1 of 10. Going to ABC Matt. Pretty cool Matt. At least it's a superstar. Tatum. Carmelo. Trey. Come on, man. Josh Christopher. Pink Velocity. We just got a 1 of 10. Now we get a 1 of 79. Brandon Clark. W. Griswold. Bojan. Rashawn Holmes. Giannis. Kyrie. Charles Bassey. Josh Okogie. Desmond Bain, reigning 3 silver insert. Spencer Dinwiddie. Isaiah Stewart. Sharif Cooper. Jakob Poeltl. Karis LeVert and Shirley. Damian Lillard. Cameron Thomas. And Dominator, Julius Randle. HRJ. Alright. Chunk 2. Autograph should be in this chunk somewhere. Jalen Gordon. Aaron Gordon. Killian Hayes, silver. DeAndre Hunter. Corey Kispert. Kawhi. I don't know. We have a blue Kevin Porter. Bruno the Rockets is John Burr. Bruno wants to buy that Josh Christopher Velocity. If you're interested, John Burr. 15 of 59 on the blue. Another Rocket. The Rockets got 2 numbered. Malik Beasley. Darius Bazley. Trey Murphy. 75, Chris Middleton. Trae Young, the regular version, not gold. Bob Covington, and for the Raptors, let me put Bob away here. David Johnson, 5 of 49, rated rookie autograph. Going to Tyler C. Tyler, blue autograph to only 49. Another Trae Young. DeAndre Ayton. Victor Home Depot. I don't think we have a Heat yet. Put it right there. Chris Duarte. Don't try to church it up, son. Davion Mitchell, silver. Denny Avdia. Desmond Bain. Jeremy Grant. Clyde the Glide Drexler. Jimmy Butler. Jaden Springer. Stephen Up and Adams. Joker. Elite Dominator. That one is 30 of 99 or 30 of 99. Marcus Smart. Wendell. Mr. Wendell. Keon. And the last one, James Harden. That'll do it. Pretty nice box, I guess. Got a lot of nice color. A gold autograph, rated rookie, on card to 49. and whatnot. Thanks, everybody.